Hello everyone. A few people asked me what my sharpening, how I sharpen the knives on the flea markets. So yeah, this is what I use. Just the bike. Well, not bike, moped, or whatever you want to call it. Sharpening stone. Goes between the. Hold on a second. Sharpening stones going fit between this, the carrying thing, some screwdrivers. Basically a sign that says knife sharpening. It's gonna be on the ammo cans. So yeah, the knife sharpener, well, the sharpening stone fits in here. Hold on a second, let's see, I can do this one-handed way. So yeah, basically it fits right here. It holds it into place really nice. Yeah, I'm in the woods right now, so that's all the noise. So yeah, that's for holding the sharpening stone. On the sharpening stone itself, I modified a bit. All types of sharpening devices. Some stuff for machetes. Some stropping compounds, a strop, all fits in there. In the other ammo can, it's a really tight one. Basically, I got a wedge for holding the bike so it doesn't go up and down while I'm sharpening. Small bench vise that fits onto the rack. So this also, hold on, also holds, gets held by the binder and two screws, well, nuts and bolts go from under. So this will be under there, so it's clamped together. Oh, it is two nuts and bolts. So I can put on the table vise for some smaller work. So yeah, it's not always in there just for the shows. Well, not shows, the flea markets. Just for sharpening. It's not the best. No, well, sorry, it's not ideal, but it works really nicely, to be honest. So yeah, for the bike itself, it's just a Honda Wallaroo. Well, not bike, moped. Made well, made this one out of yeah, basically shop step. Well, small step up. Got it down. Tack welded it together. Welded some parts on to bolt it to the moped or bike, whatever itself. Some ammo cans. You can see just bolted on. Just simple, but actually I kinda like it. Oh, it looks. The ammo cans should be a little bit more forward, but yeah, custom paint job also. And a sticker with my logo and maker's mark. Well, maker's mark and email. No, website, sorry. So yeah, that's it for now, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.